Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today we have a newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 27th, 2022, the last Friday of the month. And I want to remind you, next week on Friday, the first Friday of the month, we have a speed test. So not today, but next week we have a speed test. And we have here in this newspaper two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and Sudoku Heavy. And there's also an additional, yes, an additional with 6 extra puzzles. We have a letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. And the news of today, yes. Well, Rotterdam Feyenoord soccer club has lost the finals in the Conference League. So this is the news of today. Yes, news of today. They lost from Roma, Italian club. Well, they played well. I saw that. Very well. They are dominant in that game. But football or soccer, you cannot predict. If you have only one chance and you use that chance, then you lose. Yes. Alright, Sudoku Light. Number 4611. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 36 printed digits. We have 9 big squares. Each big square has 4 printed digits. So 4 times 9, 36. And my time limit, yeah. Well, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, for 1 star in the additional, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think this one, 13 or 14 minutes, you can complete this. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 3 should be there. The 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column. So the column next up, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright, how about the 4 in the third column, the 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright, then. How about the 9? The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, and 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. A 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Then let me see. How about the 7 then? 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. On that column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. The 7 in the last row. The 7 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. Yes, I need to wait. How about? Yeah. We have a 5 in this row, the 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Do we have all the 5s? Let me count. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. And now I can continue with the 7. Because we have a 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 7. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in this box. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number. So 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and an 8, 6 and an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. The 8 supposed to be there, and the 6 goes here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. Well, let me wait for this one. Let me do this one. 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes for 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the Sudoku Heavy. Yes, Sudoku Heavy. I think this one will be heavy. Has 24 printed digits. See you then. Bye-bye for now.